Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Target haul for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, July 7th, and they are good up until Saturday, July 13th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take the time to click that red subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so on my Target account, I had a Target Circle offer where when I make a qualifying purchase spending $100 or more, I would earn $15 in Target Circle earnings. So in this transaction, I spent well over $100, so I was able to reach that bonus and receive that $15 in Target Circle earnings. So for everything that you see here, it cost me a total of $47.24 for everything, you guys. So first up, I am going to go ahead and just talk about the Tyson Chicken. So with the Tyson Chicken this week at Target, they are on a buy one get one 50% off promotion. So right here I have 2 bags of the Tyson grilled and ready chicken, and these are priced at Target for $8.99. And once again, they are buy one get one 50% off. So one bag is $8.99, and the second one did ring up at half off at $4.49. So the total for both bags is $13.48. IBOTTA does have a rebate for $8.47 back, bringing the total down to just $5 and a penny for both bags, or it makes each bag $2.50. Now, these aren't free. Now, if you took advantage of the Tyson Chicken deal last week, you were able to get about 6 bags for completely free plus money makers. They're not free this week at Target, but if you missed that deal, this is still a really good price. And then next up, I grabbed 2 bags of the Fun Nuggets, and these are priced at Target for $6.99, and they are also on the buy one get one 50% off. So one bag will ring up at $6.99. Your second bag will ring up half off at $3.49. So total for both bags comes to $10.48. IBOTTA does have a rebate for $6.46 back, bringing your total down to just $4.02 for both bags, or it makes each bag $2.01 a piece. So that is the deal for the Tyson Chicken, you guys. Really good deal. So now we're going to move on over to the True Skin deal. So the True Skin is priced at $16.99 this week at Target. There is a Target Circle offer where you can save 20% on select skincare products. True Skin is included. So regularly priced at $16.99. With the 20% off, it brings the total down to $13.59. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Target app, bringing your total down to $8.59. And then I submitted my receipt over to My Points for 680 points back on this True Skin, which is $4.28, bringing my total down to $4.31. But not only that, Fetch Rewards has a rebate. I don't know if it's still available, but Fetch Rewards has a rebate for $4 back when you buy one. So I did submit my receipt over there, and I got $4 back as well, bringing my total down to just 31 cents. IBOTTA also has a rebate for $5 back, so that makes this True Skin completely free plus a $4.69 moneymaker. Lastly, I did the diaper deal, and the diaper and wipe deal, and this is my favorite deal at Target. I love when this deal comes around. So this week at Target, when you spend $100 on diapers and wipes, you will receive a $30 Target gift card. Now, normally we would have to spend $100 and receive a $20 Target gift card, but this week we are receiving $30 when we spend $100. So I grabbed 2 boxes of the Huggies Little Movers. I grabbed a size 5 and also a size 4. They are priced at $28.49. We do have $150 digital on the Target app, bringing the total down to $26.99. And then IBOTTA does have a rebate for $3 back, bringing the total down to $23.99. Now the rebate on IBOTTA is a limit of 3, I believe. 2 or 3. No, I think it's a limit of 2. So I purchased 2 and I got $3 back for each box. Now for my second box of Huggies, since we only had 1 digital coupon on the app, I did submit my receipts over to ShopMium because ShopMium has a coupon for $1.50 back. So I used that $1.50 on my second box. And then with the Huggies Natural Care, this is the 288 count. These are just priced at $11.39 per box. And then with the Huggies Skin Essentials, these are priced at $6.99 per pack. So with all 3 packs, it totals $20.97. And we do have a 25-cent wipe coupon on the Target app. I checked ShopMium. They do have a wipe coupon, but it does not qualify for the sizes that I got here. So with everything that you see here, well, with all of the diapers and wipes, the total for all of those items came out to be $100.73. So I spent $100, so I was able to get the $30 back. So with everything, you guys, my total came out to be $138.28, and this is with everything that you see here. Since I do have the Target Red card, I got an additional $5.08 taken off. So $138.28 minus that $5.08 brought my total down to $133.20. I then used $6.75 worth of digital coupons, the $5 for the True Skin, 25 cents for the Huggies, and the $1.50 for the Huggies diapers. So that brought my total down to $126.45. And then I did receive back my $30 Target gift card, but I already used that in another Target transaction that I did. But I did in fact receive that $30 gift card, bringing my total down to $96.45. And then I also received my $15 in Target Circle earnings for spending at least $100. So that brought my total down to $81.45. Then I did receive back $25.93 from IBOTTA, bringing my total down to $55.52. And then I went ahead and submitted my receipt over to My Points, and I got back a total of $4.28 for the True Skin, bringing my total down to $51.24. And then lastly, I went ahead and submitted my receipt over to Fetch Rewards, getting back $4 from there, bringing my grand total down to $47.24 for everything that you see here. But let me go ahead and grab my receipt, you guys. I thought I had it over here, but let me grab that really quick and show you guys. Okay guys, so there are both boxes of my Huggies diapers priced at $28.49 each. Both of my Tyson Chickens grilled and ready priced at $13.48 total. The Tyson Chicken Nuggets priced at $10.48 total. 2 packages of the Huggies wipes at $11.39 each, so $22.78. 3 of the Huggies Skin Essentials at $6.99 each, so $20.97 total. My True Skin at $16.99 with the 20%, $13.59. So there's the $138.28 for the total. With my Target Red card, it took off $5.08. Don't worry about the taxes because everyone's taxes are different. And then right here with digital coupon, $6.75. So this was a really good transaction, and you guys, I went ahead and I put up the chicken. I put it back in the deep freezer so that they don't thaw out. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. This was a really good Target transaction. I also have another Target transaction right here that I am going to probably make a post on Instagram or something explaining that. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week from Target, because there are some fire. And I will see you guys in my next one.